Hey guys, Mr. Goliath here. Part 2 of making our edits for the vacation. So we did the cheat code for removing the background. Now we are on to our photo edits. So there's 3 sites. You can use the Creative Commons app that should be on your Chromebook. You can also use, we have Pixabay, and then I also linked on Splash, and you don't have to worry. The images you can use for project purposes, which will be great for us. So I found this background image, and this is actually something that I was doing for a family member. So the next thing I'm going to do is click layer, and then we're going to add an image as a layer. Now it's going to let me choose, and if I go through here, I should have it right. Here's the one. So I click OK, and now I'm just going to have to resize it and position them, and that's the part you'll kind of play with, but maybe something like this. Actually, maybe move them over. Rule of thirds, try to get them on that third there, and there you go. Now I'm ready. I could just save my picture, and then I can download this image as well. Right here, all I do is click download, and that's it. There's my first image for a vacation trip, and that's it. So you can go ahead and get started, and good luck and have some fun doing it.